So children, please turn to page number 127. This is a new exercise that we will do today. Now we will change the passive sentences into active ones. Good morning. This is chapter active in English grammar, and today we are doing exercise C on page number 127. I hope notebooks are there with you. So are the notebooks. Please put your mics off so that you get better audibility and proper clarity in video as well. Change these sentences from the passive to the active voice. Now, before we do the first sentence, please write the rule. We already know what is the rule, what are the steps for changing passive. Now, let us write the rule for changing passive to active. Yes, you will write this in the fair copy.
1 minute.
Okay. Write the answer. Identify the tense. Step 1. Identify the tense. T-E-N-S-E. Okay. I guess people were not ready. I have told you 10 minutes earlier that you need to be ready at 10:30. Now this is how the time is wasted. Step 2. If you've missed it out, I can't help it. Step 2. Find out subject and object. Now verb means helping verb and main verb both. Find out subject, verb and object. Step 3. Subject, verb and object. These are the three things that we do. Step 3. Remove by. Remove by from the sentence. Remove by from the sentence. Step 4. Now write the sentence. Step 4. Now write the sentence in active voice. Now write the sentence in active voice. Now in the next line, please write down what we do. Plus लगा के लिखते हैं, write that. Subject plus helping verb. Subject plus helping verb. In the bracket write down if required. We will write helping verb in the active sentence only if it is required. So subject plus helping verb. In the bracket write down if required. Okay. Plus main verb. Plus main verb. Plus object. I repeat, now write the sentence in active voice. Subject plus helping verb only if it is required. If it is not required, we will not write. Plus main verb plus object. In the bracket write down, now the sentence is in active voice. Now the sentence is in active voice. Please go through this once. Just give it 1 minute. You will observe we have not done anything new. We have just reversed the rules. If you have studied active to passive, we have simply reversed the rules, right? Object was in the beginning, we have put it at the end. Subject was is the end, we have brought it in the beginning. We have removed the helping verb and we have taken the main verb in its original form. not necessarily in the third form always. Verb can
Yes,
be,
ma'am.
if it is present tense, not be in the third form, right? सिर्फ passive में verb हमेशा. Ma'am, please repeat the first rule. Now, child, I was just dictating. I don't have anything written in front of me. What is the first step that I have told? Arav, read it out.
Identify the tense.
Identify the tense. The first rule is identify the tense. The second rule is find out the subject, verb, and object in the passive sentence. Third step is remove the word by, because in active sentence we don't put by. And the fourth step is now write the actual sentence in active voice. How are we doing it? Check it what where you have written. We will write the subject. Then we will write the helping verb only if it is required. Is, am, are, has, have. Then we will write the main verb. Now the main verb is not always in the third form. जब passive पे लिखते हैं, then the verb is in the third form. But when we write it in active, it can be in the third form, it cannot be in the third form, depending upon the sentence. For example, if the sentence is simple, so it will be in the first form, verb will be in the first form, so not necessarily in the third form. That is why we have not written verb in the third form. Verb can be in the first form also, verb can be in the second form also, and verb can be in the third form also. So main verb according to the tense of the sentence plus object. Now the sentence is in passive voice. Is there any confusion till here? Come on, children.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let us do first one. Let us do the first one. Then it will be easier for you. The lake is being cleaned by some environmentalists. Quickly copy this question and side by side find out how will you do it. Zaid is raising hand. Just copy the question. Everybody. The lake is being cleaned by some environmentalists. After full stop, write the tense of the sentence. Okay, Zaid, what is the tense of the sentence?
Ma'am, it is present continuous tense.
Very good. This is present continuous. Why? Because is written and being being is written. That means the sentence is in present continuous. सिर्फ active में नहीं, passive में भी वो किस tense में है, you should be able to identify. Okay. So this is present continuous. Now, what is the object? Z.
Ma'am, lake.
The lake is the object part. Underline the section, the lake, and write down capital O, object. Where is the verb?
Ma'am, it is cleaned.
Yes. Is helping verb. I will do the first one. Is the helping verb, HV. Cleaned is the main. Being cleaned. Write down, underline BEING, being cleaned. This is the main verb. And some environmentalist. This is subject. Some environmentalist. Both these words are subject. Okay, Zed, tell us the active part of this.
Yes,
Tell us the answer.
The environmentalist cleaned the lake.
Now, is or will लिखा हुआ है. This is not present continuous.
Ma'am, the
Where
environmentalists are cleaning the lake.
Very good. Write the answer. Some environmentalists are cleaning, some environmentalists are cleaning the lake. Now you see subject is also there, helping verb is also there, ing is also there, and object is also there. Okay. So now in the bracket write down active. Now the sentence is in active voice. What is the subject? Some environmentalists. What is ARER? R is the helping verb. Sentence is continuous tense और perfect helping verb भी exist करता है. Simple present, simple past में helping verb नहीं होता है, but in continuous tense and in perfect tense we have the helping verb. So ARER, R is the helping verb. Cleaning, clean, ing. Cleaning is the main verb and the lake is the object part. Are you able to relate this with the rule we have written? Come on children, are you able to relate this with the rule steps you have written? Are you able to relate it with the steps that we have written just now? How we change it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, question number 2. Sweets are being made by my aunt for Diwali. Copy the second question. Or if you don't have enough time, you can leave 2 lines. Shivansh, what is the tense? Janvi Gupta, this is not the time to join the class. Nearly 6 minutes are left for the class to get over. Yes.
Tense is present continuous tense.
Very good. This is present continuous. So children, first of all, write down this is present continuous in the bracket. Present continuous. How we change it?
Yes, ma'am.
How we will change it into active?
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Now you rose hand, you should be knowing Shivansh. Sweets are being made by my aunt for Diwali. What is the object?
Ma'am, object is sweets. And ma'am, subject is
Sweets.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sweets.
Ma'am, can I tell?
What is the subject?
Ma'am, aunt.
My aunt is the subject. Okay.
Ma'am, can
What
I?
is the verb?
Ma'am,
Make or made. Made is the verb. Are is the helping verb, but it will change into is. Okay. Yes, Heather. What shall be the active sentence for this?
Yes, ma'am. My aunt is making sweets for Diwali.
Very good. My aunt is making. Z, be ready with the next one. And people, once you finish this, copy the third one. My aunt is making sweets for Diwali. My aunt is making sweets for Diwali. In the bracket, write down active. Now the sentence is in active voice. Question number next. Zaid Khan. The ship was attacked by pirates in the high seas.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the tense is simple past tense, and ma'am, in active voice, it is the pirates attacked the ship in high seas.
Okay, but we will not write the before pirates. Pirates के पहले the लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है, and we will not write it. So write down this is simple past. Simple past is the sentence. Now write the answer. Pirates attacked the ship. Pirates attacked the ship. Now this sentence does not have a helping verb. Let me tell you. Pirates attacked the ship in the high seas. Pirates attacked the ship in the high seas. This is active sentence. Question number 4. Arav, people please copy the question. The child was frightened by the sound of firecrackers. Very easy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the tense is simple past tense. And ma'am, in the active voice, it is the sound of firecrackers frightened by the ma'am, the child.
Frightened the child. It is not frightened, it is frightened. Okay, very good. Write the answer, children. The sound of firecrackers. The sound of firecrackers frightened the child. Next. Question number 5. Have you written the question? Same people are raising hand. I want others to tell. Okay, so since the bell has rung, this is the last answer that we'll be doing. Shanza is raising hand. Yes, Shanza. Question number 5. The trees were cut by the laborers. What is the tense? The trees were cut by the laborers. Shanza.
Ma'am, it is simple past.
Okay, it is simple past. How will you change it? In the bracket, write down simple past. Now, how will you change it?
The laborers cut the trees.
Very good. The laborers cut the trees. The laborers cut the trees. So, children, you will copy question number 6 to 15. I repeat, you will copy question number 6 to 15 in fair language copies. Leave 4 lines after each question.